Hi guys, Molweni, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time seeing this gorgeous face, hi, I am Zuzu and I'm so happy you could join me today. I hope that you like it here, you stay and you become a part of my little family. Yes, okay, so today we're doing something. I am installing a wig. I've never done it before, but I believe in myself. I think I've watched a lot of YouTube videos, TikTok videos to kind of know the drill. So this is the glue I have. A lot of people were recommending this one. And I have a leave-in conditioner to style the hair because it's a curly wig. Yeah, I think the part that I'm scared about the most is the cutting part. Like, I'm scared that I'll cut it wrong, but you know what? That's how we learn. If I'm not gonna do it wrong, I trust myself, I trust these hands. And if you trust me too, comment, man. Say, yes, Zuzu, yes. Yes, Zuzu, yes. You can do this, Zuzu, because I can do this. Like, so let's get to it. So yeah, I thought I was gonna go somewhere though today, but I'm not going anywhere. I'm gonna look all this pretty bedazzled for nothing, but it's fine, it's fine. So got this hair from Amazon. Yeah, I think it's, let me show you. This is the girly, this is the girl, this is the girl, okay? Gorgeous, gorgeous. Love the color. Whoop, whoop. I think it's 13 by something. Yeah, so I saw something. The first step is to fuck out the wax stick and then push it to the back. So let me take my hot comb that I also got from Amazon. Step one is to, you know, what's the comb? Okay, do that. I think this wax stick came with the hair, or I think so. I think it came with the hair. Don't know it's over. Okay, so step one. Now, not too much on my braids now, okay? Not too much on my braids. My hair is short, but also, okay, that's not an excuse, but it was hard braiding it. Like, firstly, I'm not like a cornrow expert, so not too much on my braids. Not too much on my braids now. I'm about to take this off. Not too much, okay? Okay, so these are the braids in question, okay? Shh. Don't talk too much about it. I said so let's make sure that everything is tucked in. Now I think this is good. Now the scary part comes in. My shaylas. I'm scared. I'm really scared. Okay, let me focus. Okay, now the game begins. Yeah? The real game begins. Like, okay, I'm really scared of cutting like without it. Should I glue it first and then I think like, should I glue it first and then cut the air, but I think it's like not too much. Like, okay. 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 Let's see. What is I'm scared. I'm scared. Okay. Wait. Okay. This approach might be but it's better to okay. Okay. Okay, see it. Do I pull it? Okay, we did it. We did it. We did it. Okay, this is what came off. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Ooh, imagine cutting a video. Did I? Okay. 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 Relax. You're not done yet. You're not done yet. But I feel like that was the most like scary part for me. Okay. So I think I'm supposed to do that, right? And then clean. Okay, where's my brush? Got my brush and my bestie, and I don't need no. Got my own buddy. Okay. How do I? Guys, I think I am such a talent because what do you mean? Okay, don't talk too fast. Sakalala. Sakal. Don't toot your own horn now. Okay. Aiba, if you like it, then you put it. Aiba. Imagine the big concert he has won. Okay, so. Yeah, okay, I think I did it. Ugh. See, this is what I was trying to avoid. And this way is hot. Okay. I don't know. Let's try again. And the same thing, man. Yo. tall. Okay. 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 Okay, my Zuzu. Okay. I think I can.
Agree to get that because we threw you out into the streets basically. Good enough for him because you know once he saw something better, which already he had discussion made, we would see you know, and even this brother justice thing.
Roll the clip and run it back, I'm really like that. I'm really not friendly, I need my credit, niggas hate that. I need the numbers, I need the data, got you talking crazy. Abracadabra, you niggas sideshow. I'm bobbing like psycho, you dancing like Texaco, injection like micro.
So
You I might go, you push it, I might pop. I'm fucking on hot throbs, I got your favorite rapper block.
okay, so I need to
favorite
cut
acting
this,
screaming, text me back. I make no exception.
but I think I'm gonna do it in a different mirror because I need to focus, guys. I gotta focus. I gotta put myself first. I gotta put myself first. Say that. Don't play with me now. Don't play with me now. Don't play with me now. Don't play with me now.
Put together, nails done, hair done, everything paid. Hey, guys, yes, how we looking? What we wearing? How we looking?
Oh, son. Yung ganan. What a gorgeous girlie. Now, people, come on now. Clap hands for you. Clap hands for your girl, because yeah, like, come on, guys, come on, come on, come on. Let me not fish for these compliments because I did great. Can somebody get me a beverage now? Can somebody get me a Beveragino? Christina! Where's Christina? Where's Christina? Oh, to be good, to be able to use your hands. It's a blessing. It's a blessing, people. But I believe that we all can do it. Now, we'll see how long it will take for this to cut down. But yeah, thank you guys for watching my video. Really appreciate you staying, like, you know. I really appreciate you guys watching my video. See you on the next one.